but Saron is used to performing under extreme conditions. He realizes that his current strategy, focused solely on his survival, is pointless if he doesn't also consider Mark's safety. There's no time for reckless plans. With sharp focus, Saron makes his move and finally reaches the ground level. He can't quite remember the exact sequence of events that led him there, but the
Hala,
engagement
pa!
of Catalyst devices signals the end of level 10. The rookie,
Bato!
his friends,
Bato yung nakalagay!
10 is designed for
Bato!
specializing in their craft.
Bato! Dito! Iyan mo! Bato po yung nakalagay! Bato!
His dedication.
Oh!
As the exam concludes,
Bato nga po!
unsafely, with Mark having recklessly pushed through the ordeal, Saron's peers congratulate him on his performance, acknowledging his advancement.
Wala, oh.
Meanwhile, Professor Oliver
Buksan ko po.
by the outcome.
Bato?
Oh.
Professor Thad. She recommends
Hindi naman talaga ano, parang bato talaga oh.
of the exam, but he reassures her that he did his best. There will be time for an explanation.
Bato nga.
Professor
Yan mo, Ding.
So, ano ba yan?
Hindi mo tinutok din?
Tinutok ko rin. Yung bago pa.
Naku, naka-record lahat, pati pagbukas.
Oh, naka-record po.
Record.
Bato ang laman. Bato ang laman nito.
Huwag niyo pong i-receive na ano, item receive.
Sige.
Tingnan niyo